Hello friends, welcome to CodeVeins. In today's video, we are going to see how to install Python on our system. First, open your browser and go to python.org. Head over to the download section and click on the standalone installer. Let's wait for the package to download. It should take about 1 to 2 minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download complete, double click on the installer file and click install now. Then setup will take a few minutes to complete. Typically 2 to 3 minutes if your system has an SSD and sufficient RAM. As you can see, Python has been installed successfully. Click on close. Now let's verify the installation. Open Python to launch the interactive shell and let me run a quick calculation. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Perfect. Python is installed successfully and working smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel CodeVeins. Thank you.